Open the box and find these screws. Pull out the 4mm Allen wrench. Use the Allen wrench to remove the screws on both sides. Find these 2 thumb screws. Install the thumb screw into this hole and tighten it. Pull out the 3mm Allen wrench. Tighten thumb screw using Allen wrench. The bigger hole facing up, the smaller hole facing down. Lining up the pins on the machine base with the 2 holes on the table. Pull out the 4mm Allen wrench. Only 4 screws are needed. Hand tighten these 2 screws halfway. Install the other 2 screws into the holes. Then use the Allen wrench to fully tighten the 4 screws.